Ada. Thanks for watching my video, and it's going to be a kitchen vlog today. I'm going to be touring around this kitchen. I moved into this beautiful apartment, and I want you guys to see how the kitchen looks like and the important things you need to have in your kitchen in case you want to set up your kitchen. These are some important things you need to have in your kitchen for you to make sure your kitchen is very convenient and comfortable for you. So join me, guys. Let's explore this wonderful. So there are some things you really need to have in your kitchen. First is a microwave. You can see the microwave. It's one of the essential things you need to have in your kitchen. We have the blender. There are different types of blender. It depends on how powerful you want your blender to be. Depends on what you want to blend with your blender. So, but the blender is one of the most essential things you need to have in your kitchen. I talked about the microwave. The microwave is also, microwave is from Cookware. Yeah, that is the microwave. And we have the blender. The electric jug. The electric jug is one thing that makes cooking very fast. When you want to cook and you have an electric jug, cooking is easy, because especially in case you want to cook a rice or something, when just boil the water and before starting, you want to make a quick cup of coffee, you want to make a cup of tea, just make sure you have an electric jug in your kitchen. The next I'll be talking about is a rice cooker. We are my rice lovers. Do you like rice like me? I like rice actually. So this is a rice cooker which you can use to make rice. It's very easy to make rice like that. Okay, so now let's move to the cooking. The cooker and fridge and other things. Got the cooker. The cooker, there are different types of cooker. This is a very big cooker, and we've got it has the oven. Actually uses to bake anything. Have the bread maker, like anything with your bread, anytime. Yeah, you've got a fridge. And the fridge is a 2 compartments. We have the freezer compartments. The freezer compartments has different portion, and we have the fridge compartments. Oh. Okay. We have the washing machine. We have the dryer. So most times the washing machine, after washing and spinning and rinsing, would automatically move on into the dryer. I will just transfer. I really have to transfer them into the dryer. So when I open my dryer, I just transfer my clothes into them. You can see how I transfer my clothes into the dryer. mixed now, so we're gonna put it on. Automatically it starts drying, and when it's done drying it's going to tell me. So immediately I finish washing from the washing machine here, I move on and dry my clothes. Now the next equipment I'll be talking about is our dishwasher. The dishwasher is very important in a kitchen. If you have a dishwasher, it's a very good thing. And yeah, I just wash some of my plates. Yeah, so these are the essential spices you actually need in a kitchen. In case you are looking for spices, you need lovely spices. This is a chicken seasoning. This is crushed chili. I use it in seasoning my meat also. Yeah, I've got the thyme here. This thyme is from Stone Mill. And grounded ginger. I got my curry powder, black pepper, and my salt. So these are like one of the things I use for in my kitchen. These are the spices I use in my kitchen. Crushed chili. I use it to season my meat also. Yeah, I've got the thyme here. This thyme is from Stone Mill. And grounded ginger. I got my curry powder, black pepper, and my salt. So these are like one of the things I use for in my kitchen. These are the spices I use in my kitchen. Yeah, and here is your chopping board. So these are like the essential things you need. So we've got a pan. This pan is what I use most time. It's a non-stick fry pan. I got my spoon. This is a tongue. It's very good. You can use it when you fry. You use to pick things. So you don't need just pick it. Use it to pick your things when you fry. Knife, and it also. Enjoy this kitchen tour. Yeah, so watch out for other videos on